Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start our language unit 7, the adverb and the kinds of adverbs. So before we start our lesson, we will know the definition of adverb. Definition of adverb is: an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, adjective or an adverb in any sentence. What does modify means? It means it adds or change the meaning of verb, adjective or adverb in any sentence. So, there are 4 ways in which the adverb modifies or describes the action. Firstly, how the action is performed. And secondly, where is the action performed. Thirdly, when the action is performed. And fourthly, how often or frequent the action is performed. So, let us see few examples given in your book and let's continue our lesson. See, first example. The old gentleman walked slowly. Here the noun is gentleman and walked is verb and slowly is adverb. Okay. So this slowly is adverb. This modifies the action of a noun. Second, Sita sang sweetly. How did Sita sing? Sita sang sweetly. Third, the horse runs fast. How does horse run? Horse runs fast. The children play happily. How do children play? Children play happily. So, we see here, it will be noticed that the adverbs in the above sentences show how the action is done. How did the old gentleman walk? Slowly. How did Sita sing? Sweetly. How does the horse run? Fast. How did the children play? Happily. The adverbs slowly, sweetly, fast and happily add something to the meaning of the verbs walked, sang, runs and played. They tell us how the action is done. So, here you see definition about the adverb of manner. These adverbs which show the manner in which some action is done are called adverbs of manner. And adverbs of manner always answer the question how. Whenever you see in any sentence the question is being asked how, then you should understand that this is the adverb of manner. So, we will do the exercise 1. Look at each picture, then choose the most suitable adverbs of manner from the bubbles to complete the sentence. Number 1. The birds sang merrily. The soldiers fought bravely. The children played happily. Little Anil ran quickly. The hungry man ate greedily. The plane landed safely. Now we will see another examples here. Look at these sentences. Harry came yesterday. When did Harry come? Yesterday. He will come soon. When will he come? He will come soon. He comes home late. When does he come home? He comes home late. I shall write a letter to her tomorrow. When will I write letter? Tomorrow. The adverbs in the above sentences show when the action is done. As I had in introduction part, I had told you there are 4 ways in which the adverb modifies the action. So first one already we have finished, question how, and second one we are starting when the action is done. When did Hari come? Yesterday. When will he come? Soon. When does he come home? Late. When shall I write a letter to her? Tomorrow. We will see the definition here. The words yesterday, soon, late and tomorrow add something to the meaning of the verbs came, will come, comes and shall write. They tell us when the action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of time. So this adverb is called adverb of time when the question is being answered, when the answer question when. Okay, whenever you see in any sentence question is being asked when, then you have to understand that is the adverb of time. Exercise 2. Underline the adverbs of time in the following sentences. We rise early. I have already underlined. Please see your book. You sleep late. You must go there tomorrow. He came here yesterday. He has not come today. She will come soon. He comes here daily. We shall now begin to read. I have heard this before. Lately he has become lazy. Come here at once, Sunil. He has already come. Okay. So dear students, rest we will continue in next class. This much once again go through it and write in your copy. Thank you.